Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to always display the classic show more option menu in Windows 11 if you're tired of right clicking and then selecting show more options every time. This is quick, will bring the full classic context menu permanently. So let's get started. So firstly go to start menu. Here you will search for command prompt. Now open as run as administrator, then click on yes. Now enter the command. I will paste it into my description, then press enter. Here you will see the operation completed successfully. Now restart file explorer, close it, right, fine. Now press Ctrl Shift plus escape. Here you will see the task manager will open. You can now search for window explorer. Here you will find explorer, window explorer, right click on it. Now click on restart. Here you will see it will restart successfully. Now right click and see the old context menu will be. Here you will see the show more option will be not visible. That's it. Here you will see there is no show more option. That's it. Now you know when you right click files folder or the desktop, the classic text menu will appear automatically without needing to click show more option. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.